everybody, this week's swing tip we're going to talk about chipping. So the key thing with a chip shot is getting the actual strike. If you can't get a good strike, you can't then control distance and you can't control the spin on the ball. So it makes it really difficult. And what we find when we're giving chipping lessons, and we've been prone to this ourselves, is that when we're coming in to hit the chip, sometimes our weight can tilt backwards and then we get the low point before the ball, so then we end up with almost a lifting action, so then we can't get a proper ball strike. So with this drill, we've got the stick here, so you can use a stick or a golf club, run it inside your right heel, position your ball in the centre of your stance, and then simply try to get the weight forwards on this left side and simply try to hit the ball without hitting the stick. So if we keep the weight forwards, there we go, so we've got a nice strike on that. Ball first, no sign of the ground. And again, so we're going to position it a good sort of 4 or 5 inches in front of that stick. Ball in the middle, weight forwards, and then try to, there we go, try and keep the weight forwards. That'll encourage a descending blow. It'll encourage you to move the strike forwards. What we find when we're seeing people struggling with chipping is that when they're coming to hit, the weight moves back, and then what happens is you almost get a lifting up feeling. So the low point then comes before the ball, because simply the weight is rocking back. It's almost like we're trying to help the ball into the air, and then the low point comes before it lifts up. It either catches it a little bit heavy, so the ground before the ball, or it catches it a bit thin and then it goes running through the green. So if we keep practicing with this drill, doing it enough times, we will learn to keep the weight forwards, there we go, and get that good strike every time. One more. That inside, ball in the middle. You want at least 60-70% of the weight onto that left side. Keep it on the left side. There we go, good strike again. And keep practicing that. Once you've done it enough times, then take the stick away and then try exactly the same again. So same setup, and try and feel, there we go, that weight staying forwards. It should just keep you on this left hand side, which will give you that better strike and stop you wanting to get up and trying to lift the ball onto the green. Okay, give that some practice. Thank you very much.